Hello everyone and welcome to our new project. Now in this project we'll be talking about lung cancer classification. All right, so this means that we will have input or different features, and based on the features we do have a column which is going to classify as lung cancer or not. So over here you can see that I'm on lung cancer classification or lung cancer data set. And we have a lot of different columns over here, you can see. And by the way, if you go on Kaggle and simply search for lung cancer data set, you will get a lot of different results. This is just one of them, all right? So we have different columns over here. Gender column. And one of the things that is important about gender column that you will note is that the value is M and F, meaning male and female. So it would be a good idea to convert those columns into integers. Then we have the age column, smoking, whether it's 1 or 2. 2 means yes and 1 means no. And then probably all of these columns that we see are integer columns. So that's actually really good because we don't really have to use some sort of a one-hot encoding, ordinal encoding, label encoding to encode those things. Apart from the gender column. So we'll fix that in a very different way. And the other column that we have, let's see over here, it doesn't really show it, but once you actually download the data set, so I've already downloaded the data set and I want to show you, so let me go ahead and pull it up. There it is, lung cancer. There we go. So this is actually what it looks like. Now, first of all, keep in mind that this is not a huge data set. It only contains around 310 or 309 records. So if you can get more or a larger data set, that will be great. But I chose this data set for a reason. So I can show you that what will be our accuracy, what will be our confidence level, all of those different things for a smaller data set. And you can see that the last column is the target column. Now, this is basically called the lung cancer. That's the name of the feature. And it is yes and no. So it's kind of like similar to the age column, or sorry, the gender column, which contains male and female, but the lung cancer contains yes and no as string. So we have to do something to the gender column, and we have to do something for the lung cancer column so that the values over there are integer and not strings. But you can definitely check out all of these records. These are, if you scroll down, probably 310, 309 different records, which is fine for, testing it out. But you will see that sometimes having small records or small set of records, it's going to obviously go against the accuracy of your algorithms. And that's exactly what we'll be looking at. And we'll take a look at like a couple of different algorithms for classification. We'll start with logistic classification, and then we'll also see probably the random forest classification, right? So we'll see a couple of different ways, and if their accuracy gets better, worse, and we're going to see a couple of different things, a couple of different issues with this data set. So that's going to be fun. All right. So there you have it. Let's go ahead in the next lecture and try to deal with our gender and the lung cancer column.